How to find Discord IDs. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. I'll show you what you need to do to find your Discord ID. So also, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. I provided with solutions for your problems. I'm creating how-to videos, so if that's an interest for you, then please consider subscribing. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If you want to find Discord IDs, excuse me, you need to go to user settings right here, and then we need to go to advanced right here, advanced, and now you need to enable develop mode. Develop mode exposes context menu items helpful for people writing bots using the Discord API. Now enable advanced mode, and now to copy your IDs, just go to my account, and here what you need to do is to click on now you need to click on these three horizontal dots, and here we have copy ID, and yes, copy ID, and it works. And here I can simply paste the ID right here. Very simple. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you find the Discord IDs. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next video. Take care.